Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how you can make your TikTok like videos public. So go to your profile page on TikTok, select these three lines on the top right corner of your screen, go to settings and privacy, and go to privacy and scroll down until you find liked videos. You probably have only me enabled, but if you want to make your TikTok like videos public, you're going to select everyone. So if I go and select only me and go back to my profile, as you can see, the heart shape has like a eye on it, and it says like no view, like there's like a cross, like a slash on it. I don't know how to explain it, but there's that symbol. But if I go to privacy again and go to like videos and select everyone, the symbol won't be there and people can actually see my like videos. That's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.